them no bad like Shabba ranking.
Okay guys, welcome back to another edition of the Dirty Berry Show. It's your girl Pepito.
And your boy Dirty Berry.
Alright, and we're here to give you the top 20 Jamaican sayings.
Yeah, and people don't get it twisted because, you know, I have an idea, so once it's Jamaican, it automatically means that it must be downtown.
Yeah.
But you have more than that, than just that, right, Pepito?
Yeah man, because you know, say I have some people from downtown, yeah, you see?
I have people who are from uptown.
Alright, so let's start. So basically number 20 is Abe, and you know, if we give you a really good example, I pretend like you are go party, you see? And me's like, so like Perry, oh you never tell me say you go party. Well at your party, you never tell me Abe. You see? And that's time I really use it.
I don't really use that. We have number 19. Number 19 is
awareness.
Yeah.
And some people might think that is like self-explanatory, but it's like, you know, when you're just telling a friend
and you're
something
shocked
really
and you're
nice.
surprised about something.
Yeah,
like
it
something
can be that
unexpected.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're like, really?
So it's like,
you know?
me come to us, you know, so me get the Prime Minister Youth Award last
Yeah.
night. Yeah, like it's something.
There we go.
So I said,
alright. And then number 18 is like,
wait, hold on again.
yeah, let's do it the Lisa Ive way. Dash upon them without warning. Oh, I know you?
Yeah, the expression there is for like male or females, I think like both genders.
Actually, more female, because the female tend to use that a lot against like other girlfriends and so. So you know, like when you're just going out to a party and you really don't feel say you're gonna look good, and you know you have always them good friends that always give you them props, and they're like, yo, where you have dash upon them without warning them, know you?
Alright, the way I mean me know what you use for it's for like you have some mix up.
Yeah.
And come and say, you know, say like you say, you get so you get say Stacey was a Stacey Pree last night or something. I don't want to hear more about it. Say tell the person dash upon them.
Dash upon them, why hear that? And then what is number 16? Number 16 I like what? Kude. Or queer, you know.
I don't use it. I don't my expression.
You know, I don't think it's my expression too, but you know, you hear most people say it.
I don't like mostly like country people, no offense.
For real.
Country people.
Country people.
Yeah, country people.
I know some father come from St. Elizabeth. Yeah.
Country people, I know use that.
Well, alright, let's see. If we will pan kude, it's like you give a little attitude and your friend is like, but kude, your IP.
I have a variation. Kude kuya.
Yeah. Yo, Barry, now Shub now, you know.
Where you go?
Yo, I'm gonna get some here. You want me?
Alright, we're coming back forward.
Alright, cool. Oh yeah, number 15. Yo, Nah Behave.
You know what that means?
No, I don't really know it still.
Alright, if Nah Behave is like a term, basically it means like if you're somebody address well, and you go in and you probably see a youth where you like, and you say, Bomba, and you then probably bush from head to toe, so you say that you Nah Behave.
Nah Behave! That's something I do it.
Yeah, so you can start using that.
Yeah, number 15. Or number 14. I say, alright. I don't know what that means.
No, I don't really
You never use it yet?
No, I'm using it now. But here I check it. So me I talk to you.
Yeah.
Right? Alright then, I'm gonna see if I can go hold a shot at it. And then you come to me and not say a word.
That's true.
What that for?
What do you mean what that for? Just
No,
say,
why you don't want me to say a word?
Alright, boss man.
You have to tell me to shut up.
No, would I never say that to you, Barry? Come on now.
What you want me to drop a secret and then can't
No, Barry, not say a word
wake
really
up tomorrow,
mean.
dumb.
No, we never say it like that. Not say a word just really means say, yo, listen, you gotta go away now. And we say, alright, Papa, not say nothing. Alright, we'll catch you later. That's really what it means.
So in the number 13 position we have IKR, I know right?
Yeah.
No.
But what does that really mean though?
What?
IKR.
Yeah, I know right, I'm gonna share this story this other day, right? She say man, Shakira Pepito. She on campus and she looking all fly and she not behave and all them something there.
Really?
So you say I'm saying no, Shakira look really pretty and I go over to her and say Shakira you look very beautiful and Shakira does something for me and say, I know right?
I know right?
No,
oh wait, I just did it.
No, one to the thanks. One to the thanks for Pepito.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah, but you see that's why I don't like that expression because it shows that people just conceited.
No, we're not conceited. We're just like, hey, I know, right? It's like, it's another version of thank you. That's how.
It's in other context, so like somebody hears something and you say, you can't believe that a girl really passed through the school there.
I know, right?
Yeah, I said that. So it's like something like so you can show like agreement. too. So in the number 12 position is
Cartel version.
oh
yeah.
You don't use that.
Of course we do.
Lies.
No, we still
Lies.
do. We still do. All right. But what does that really mean, though? When can you use oh?
Just blank.
For real?
Yeah, I'm blank like I
Yo,
would use that.
quite frankly, I would use oh in anything I say.
Oh.
All right. Oh, you see it? Yeah, anything.
Like I say,
Somebody compliment somebody,
say,
and you're like, oh.
Yeah, I got on. Oh.
No, Barry. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying.
No, but
oh.
you can't just straight in. You can't just remix that.
Yeah, we
straight
could, but you know, I'm just saying.
I said, wake up this morning, like you don't say a prayer. So that's the amen and say, oh, you know, like you tell the 21st century.
But I know, say you would do that. Seriously, I know you would do that, but I don't.
But why not say remix your prayer? Like, you know, you finish and say thank you, God, and whatever.
Anyways, number 11, okay, and is Sawa.
So, yeah, busy.
Sawa.
Busy,
Yeah.
busy. Sawa.
Ah, what about what?
Yeah, but it's like it's normally way I know it uses like a tracing thing. Like somebody has said.
That's true. Still. It's like somebody that's is like just trying to shame me down, and it's like so what?
Like
so
somebody has said,
you know?
oh my God, England last week, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton, and somebody said, so what? You know them with it? Like
You wore Louis Vuitton?
No, but that's a show you an example.
You are so conceited. You couldn't even call me and tell me you were going to Paris? Right?
Oh my God, England last week.
You couldn't even call me and tell me you were going to Paris? Going to Paris? Going to Paris? Going to Paris? Going to Paris?
You're supposed to continue.
No, he's even said, yeah, it's your boy, not to bury.
No, you're supposed to say that.
You know what? Just, yeah.
Yo, babe, match about now. This will stop cutting and shoot me somewhere else. Oh, okay, alright.